Our association with trees can never be separated, as we get life through them. We all know that man needs health to do anything. And we also know that our health is directly associated with the green cover on earth. Unless and until we improve the quality of green environment around us, we can never improve the quality of our lives. We read about the statistics of green cover in schools, but to what extent are we valuing it? We leave many things as someone's responsibilities, but why can't we think of being that responsible person? Every right has a duty behind it, and our duty towards nature is to raise trees. We may not have time to plant trees, but at least if we can encourage and recognize people who are planting trees at par with celebrities, or even more than celebrities, as their work of planting trees is much greater, then we would surely make this world a beautiful place to live in. One such greatness who needs recognition beyond any celebrity is Mr. Daripalli Ramaiah, who decorates himself and his cycle with slogans to protect and raise trees. Slogans are his crown, his richest robes. He is on a mission to plant trees and make Mother Earth green. He is making every barren spot green, always carrying seeds and plants with him. He has planted over 1 crore trees till now. He is a true soldier who is protecting his motherland. A soldier may protect few lives, but Ramaiah is protecting the lives of many, that too for generations, through his passion for raising trees. For this man, nature is God. As a child, he found his mother saving seeds for planting in the next season. There, he realized that seed is the secret behind evolution. And from then, every word he speaks, every act he does, and every thought he thinks is always related to green philosophy. Doing an unpaid job, that too for lifetime, needs the greatest heart. When asked, "What do you get out of this work?" he says, "Satisfaction, contentment, and sublime peace, as millions of saplings are growing along with me. What a joy it is to make many lives survive around us than we surviving alone." What can be a greater philanthropy, or what can be a greater philanthropic work than growing trees? He reads every available book on trees, and he knows the history of every tree and every use that comes out of it. He uses every waste material to paint slogans and messages to bring awareness on planting trees. Every rupee that is donated to him, he uses for his mission of planting trees. He even used 5,000 rupees, what someone gave at the time of his son's marriage, was also used for promoting green cover. He raises plants and distributes them for free of cost. He even advises the government to plant commercially useful species like teak and red sandal in wastelands and sell them. His desire and passion is much elevated through his work, wherein once he met with an accident and he had to rest, couldn't move, but soon realizing that he can use his hands, he started sculpting every stone around him with slogans and pictures of leaves around him. We should profoundly thank his wife and family for allowing this man to do his passion. Let's all honor him by implementing his ideas or beliefs, as what can be a greater award or reward for anyone than his belief being implemented. He says, instead of giving a fruit to a child, give him a plant. Let him nurture the plant into a tree and later enjoy the fruits forever. This way, he learns to love nature. Let's take it and let's leave it.
ఒక బాలుడికి పండు ఇస్తే పండు తింటాడు, మళ్ళీ తాత వేస్తాడు, మళ్ళీ పండు చేస్తాడు అని చూస్తూ ఉంటాడు చేతికి. అలా కాకుండా శాశ్వత ప్రాతిపదికన ఫలం ఇవ్వాలి అని ఆలోచిస్తే, అదే బాలుడికి ఒక జామ చెట్టు ఇస్తే జీవితాంతం పండు తింటాడు అనేది నా ఆశ. శ్రమతత్వం అలవడిద్ది, పోషకనం పోతుంది. ఆ మొక్క నాటడంతో శ్రమతత్వం అలబడిద్ది, మట్టి అంటుద్దాం అనేది సోకిల్లతనం పోతుంది. తర్వాత మొక్క నాటి నీళ్లు పోస్తాడు. నీళ్లు పోస్తుంటే ఎటు నీళ్ళు అడ్డిపోతామంటే చుట్టూ కుండీ నడతాడు. అప్పుడు ఇంజనీర్ అయిపోతాడు. అతను గెలవకోకుండా ఇంజనీర్ అయిపోతాడు. తర్వాత ఎటైనా ఊరికి పోయేస్తే ఈ నాటిన మొక్క ఎట్లుంది, మేకలు తిన్నాయా, గొడ్డు తిన్నాయని చూస్తుంది. అంటే ఒక కన్న తండ్రి కనుక ఇంటి పిల్లల్ని భార్యల్ని ఎట్లా చూసుకుంటే ఒక బాధ్యత గల పౌరుడుగా తయారవుతాడు. 10 లాభాలని. తర్వాత రోజు నీళ్లు పోస్తాడు. రోజు నీళ్లు పోస్తే శ్రమతత్వం అలబడింది ఒక బాధ్యత గల పౌరుడిగా. తర్వాత అందులో ఆర్థిక శాస్త్రం కూడా ఏమి ఉంది. రోజు ₹1 జామ పండు కొనుక్కోకుండా తింటాడు, మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 10 మందికి దానం చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు. అందుకని మొక్క ఇస్తే 10 లాభాలు పిల్లవాడికి. ఒక మొక్క ఇస్తే శాస్త్రజ్ఞుడు అయిపోతాడు, విజయ్ అసలు ఎవరెస్ట్ శిఖరం ఎక్కినంత ఉత్సాహంగా ఉంటాడు. ఈ నాటికి చెట్టు కాయలు కాస్తుంది అనేది.
What a way to live, creating his identity as planting trees, considering every plant as his child. If his story can make us to go a step further from inspiration to taking a decision of planting trees and doing it, it is the Bharata Ratna or Padma Shri that we give to Ramaiah. Thank you. Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.